Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to effectively inspect your project's history using the git log command. This is a fundamental skill for understanding how your codebase has evolved. The git log command acts like a time machine for your project. It presents a chronological list of every commit, showing who made changes, when they happened, and the messages they left behind. It's the primary tool for reviewing the history of a repository. To get started, you just need to type git log into your terminal. By default, it displays a detailed view for each commit, including the unique commit hash, the author's name and email, the date of the commit, and the full commit message. For a much cleaner and more compact overview, you can use the -- one-line flag. This option condenses each commit down to a single line, showing the first 7 characters of the commit hash and the commit message. It is perfect for getting a quick summary of the recent changes. If you want to see the actual code that was changed in a commit, you can use the -p flag, which stands for patch. This shows the differences, or diff, for each commit, highlighting the lines that were added and removed. Using -p with -1 will show you the changes for the most recent commit. A great way to get a summary of changes is with the --stat command. Instead of showing the full code changes, it provides statistics on which files were modified, along with how many lines were inserted and deleted in each file. It's a high-level view of a commit's impact. To better understand how different branches have been merged, you can use the --graph flag. When combined with --oneline, this command draws a text-based graph in the log, visually illustrating the commit history, including branches and merge points. The git log command is also powerful for finding specific commits. You can filter the history by a particular author using the --author flag, or see all commits since a certain time with the --since flag. You can also limit the output to a specific number of commits, for example by using -3 to see the last 3. To recap, git log is your main tool for viewing history. Use --oneline for a summary, -p to see code changes, --stat for file statistics, --graph to visualize branches, and flags like --author to filter your results. Mastering these options will greatly improve your workflow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.